tell us about your te reo journey.
I grew up in te reo Māori, in Te Ao Māori. I went to kohanga, and from there I went to kura kaupapa. My nan was my teacher at kohanga, so going home was all around, was constant reo Māori. And then, yeah, I didn't go to a Māori college, but being around kura kaupapa was it.
Cool. And so, whakapiki reo with te Rangiuru or Wairarapa as a wānanga that we've been doing supporting for a few years now. So how has that contributed to your journey?
Yes, with our tutors constantly speaking Māori is another way of upskilling our reo as well, and just the whole wānanga itself is being in a Māori environment and around Māori or speaking Māori at wānangas and stuff is pretty cool.
So tell us what you're doing now.
I am a year 3 nursing student at UCO, and I am one of 2 Māori students in our class.
Cool. So how do you think your reo will help you looking forward to the future?
Hopefully, like with what I'm doing now and becoming a Māori nurse, I hope to be like a role model for our future Māori, for the Māori nurses for tomorrow and the day after that, and because we need a lot more of us out there. And yeah.
Cool. Thanks for talking to us today.
How
was it?
It was awesome.